What's up guys, back again with another video. Today we are reviewing a Mueller kettle. Basically, it's a warmer, right? You can prepare beverages inside it and it's supposed to heat very quickly. But for most, I would think you would just put water inside it and then prepare the beverage afterwards for anything that you would need, like hot water for it, anything like that. Traditionally, you know that teapots was used for this, right? The old school way, you put the water in the pot, you put it on top of a burner or the stove and it whistles when it's done. Or, you know, you put water in the microwave and heat it up very quickly and stuff like that. But this product allows you to heat up water very quickly. We're also going to time it to see how fast it actually heats water. But this particular container has, 0.5 liters up to 1 liter. The max is 1.8 liters of water that you can put in this. So let's take a look at the device for a second. As you can see, it connects at the bottom just by setting it on top and here, and it plugs into the wall. That's pretty much it. So you just set this on top here and that's pretty much it. Now keep in mind too though, the reason why I say that you may just want to use it just for heating up water and then prepare the beverage afterwards, because this is the only way that it opens. So here is, you take a look, you push this at the top here and that's the only opening that you have. You have on and off switch on the handle there, but to do any cleaning you would have to do it from just that small opening there. And also you can close this, and to pour it you have a screened nozzle there so you can pour out the water or whatever you have inside, and that's pretty much it. So we're just gonna put the middle level one. So we're gonna put 1 liter of water in it. It has some fancy little blue lights at the bottom here. This lights up blue. We're gonna put water in it, and once the water is done heating, the light shuts off once it's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this in. All right, and then I'm going to put 1 liter of water in here. Of course, what I like about this also, you can actually use bottled water if you prefer bottled water over tap water, but we're just gonna put tap water in here for the demonstration. We're just gonna fill this up to the 1 liter mark very quickly. All right, boom. All right, so we have our water in there. We're just gonna set this back on top like that. We're gonna close this down. And now, as I said before, the power switch is here, so we're just gonna click this on, and look at that. And we're gonna see how quick it's gonna take us for the water to boil. As you can see, we already see a lot going on with the water as we speak. Let's get a little closer here. Let's take a look. Oh, I hear something. I hear it. All right, guys, and as you can see, the blue light actually turns off once the water reaches its max temperature. Now, like I said, I use nice clean water, and what we can do is here, I have a teacup already prepared, so you can just simply just take this off, pour yourself a glass of water, and you can make hot tea. You can find this on Amazon, just under 30 bucks. An awesome pickup, I would believe. I'm gonna leave a link to this kettle in the description. You can click on it. That will give you even more details about the product in the description down below. Make sure you click that link. If you thought this video was helpful, let me know. Leave a like, drop a comment, and until next time, see you guys in the next video.